If you've ever deleted an important file from OneDrive and panicked, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore OneDrive files on Windows step by step. Whether the file was deleted by mistake or you just need an older version back, this quick guide will help you recover it from OneDrive and confirm that it's synced back on your PC. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to the OneDrive website and signing in with the Microsoft account that's connected to your files. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Recycle Bin. This is where deleted OneDrive files are stored before they're permanently removed. So if your file was recently deleted, there's a very good chance it's still here. Now scan through the deleted items and look for the file you want to recover. If you have a lot of files in the Recycle Bin, use the search or just take your time and check the list carefully. Once you find the correct file, click to select it. If you want to restore more than one file, you can select multiple items before continuing. After selecting the file, click the Restore button. This will move the file back into your OneDrive storage. In most cases, it will return to the same folder it came from, which makes recovery fast and easy. After the restore process finishes, OneDrive should put the file back where it belongs. Next, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. This is the easiest way to confirm that your restored file is showing up locally on your computer. In File Explorer, go to your OneDrive folder and look for the restored file. If syncing is working normally, the file should appear there shortly after you restore it online. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment to sync, because sometimes OneDrive needs a little time to refresh across devices. If the file is there, great. That means the restore worked and your OneDrive folder is updated. You can open it, move it, or continue working as usual. If you still don't see it, double check that you're signed into the correct OneDrive account and that your sync connection is active. Now, if you don't just need the deleted file back, but you need an older version of a file, OneDrive has another useful option called version history. To do this, go back to Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and open My Files. Find the file you want, then right-click it and choose Version History. This will show you previous saved versions of that file, which is especially helpful if something was overwritten, edited by mistake, or changed in a way you don't want. From the version history list, select the version you want to recover. Make sure you choose the correct date and time if multiple versions are available. Once you've picked the version you need, click Restore. OneDrive will then bring that older version back, helping you undo unwanted changes without having to rebuild the file from scratch. That's the full process. First, restore deleted files from the OneDrive Recycle bin. Then check your Windows File Explorer to make sure everything is synced, and if needed, use version history to recover an earlier file version. It's a simple but powerful way to protect your work and avoid losing important data. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows and OneDrive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.